Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm Harita and today's recipe is ice cream bread. It's very quick and easy to do and you just need only 2 ingredients and yet it's very yummy. You can make it in no time. So let's get started. To make ice cream bread, we need ice cream. You can choose any kind of ice cream, whatever the flavor you like, you can choose it. You can choose vanilla ice cream or chocolate ice cream, whatever you like it, you can choose it. So first take 2 cups of ice cream in a mixing bowl. So this is second cup. I took 2 cups of ice cream. So now cover it and let it melt completely. So now you can see our ice cream is melted completely. You can see it now, it is in liquid form. Just give it a nice mix once again, everything like this. So the consistency should be like this, fluid consistency. So for this ice cream now we have to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and give it a nice mix, everything well combined. So if you see, this is the correct consistency. After mixing the flour, you have to get this consistency. It should not be too thick or too thin. So now take one more mixing bowl and separate the mix into equal parts. So in one portion, I am adding 1/4 tablespoon of cocoa powder. So now give it a nice mix with the cocoa powder very well like this. So here I took milk chocolate chips. So just add enough milk chocolate chips in 2 portions and give it a mix again. So take one greased loaf pan lined with parchment paper and now start pouring the batter one by one. First I am pouring vanilla ice cream batter and on top of that first you have to tap it immediately for the first layer. After pouring the first layer, tap it and again now I am pour it the second layer. This is chocolate cocoa powder mix I am pouring on top of that. Just tap it every time. Remember, you have to tap it every time. You have to tap it to avoid the bubbles. Now I am using vanilla ice cream batter and on top of that again cocoa powder batter. Like that you have to continue the same process until you complete all the batters. So unlike other cakes, you don't need to add baking powder, baking soda or sugar, anything. You don't need to add extra. Whenever kids wanted some cake, you can make this cake instead of making regular cakes. So it is very less sweet, so it is good for kids and everyone as well. Now tap it again very well at the end and now you have to bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. So now take one toothpick and just check it out whether it is clean or not. If it comes clean, your cake is ready to enjoy. So let it cool completely. After cooling, just unmold the cake and just take it off the parchment paper. Now our very yummy ice cream cake is ready to enjoy. Now you can cut it into your desired shape. Whatever the shape you like, you can just cut into the pieces. Now our very easy and yummy ice cream cake is ready to enjoy. You can see the layers inside, chocolate layer and vanilla layer, and you can see the chocolate chips as well. It is not that much too sweet, so you can enjoy it whenever you want it. It's very easy to make it whenever kids want some cakes. That's all my friends. It's really very tasty. You also try it and let me know how do you like it. If you like my video, please give it thumbs up and share with your family and friends. And I will see you in my next video. You guys have a great day. Bye bye.